Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to find the value of the expression 6 minus 4 parenthesis 6 minus 4. So let's start with today's video solution. Are you ready? So let's get started with 6 minus 4 is 2 and 6 minus 4 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4, which is incorrect because we have to follow certain rules. That is, I am going to follow PEMDAS rule where P stands for parenthesis. You have to first solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication, division, addition, and then subtraction. In multiplication and division, you have to give priority as per left to right, same as addition and subtraction. So in this question, first we have to solve the parenthesis, that is 6 minus 4, which is equals to 2. And there is a multiplication sign in between them. Now we have two signs left, that is subtraction and multiplication. So we have to give priority to multiplication. Now 4 times 2 is 8 and 6 minus 8 is minus 2. So this is the correct solution of this. I hope you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.